Hello, friends. Welcome back. Today, we will discuss another topic from writing for academic and professional success. Our topic is writing reports. What's a report? The Oxford Dictionary defines report as a statement of the results of an investigation of any matter on which definite information is required. A report is a short, sharp, concise document which is written for a particular purpose and audience. It generally analyzes a situation or a problem and often makes recommendations for the future action. Reports are highly structured form of writing. What is the relevance of writing reports? Reports are administrative necessity in an office. Reports are important and compulsory. A report acts as a means of internal communication within an organization or a firm. It provides feedback to the persons concerned. It can also help planning and decision-making processes. Report writing is an essential skill for professionals in almost every field: teachers, scientists, accountants, engineers, and all. A report aims to inform as clearly as possible, so it should be easy to read and professional in its presentation. That is why we are trying to learn how to write a report. In academic terms, as students and teachers and professionals, a report might describe an experiment you have conducted. It also may describe a survey that you have carried out. It can be an alternative proposal to deal with a situation. It may be about an activity that you have completed, or it may describe an important event. So when you are writing a report, there should be a particular structure that you follow. So the components of that structure are here. First, there should be a title page, and it briefly describes what the report is about and who it is for. You will have to include your name and the date in that title page. The second section is terms of reference. It includes a brief explanation of the audience, that means who will read the report, and the purpose why the report was written, and the methods how the study was conducted. Then the third section, or an abstract of the report. It is a general overview of the report. You will have to write a summary of the major points, conclusions, and recommendations here. The fourth one is an introduction. It explains the problem and shows the reader why the report is being made. The most important part of a report is the body of the report. This is the main section, and it includes the findings of the investigation, and it also discusses and analyzes the facts and evidences that is included in the report. And there should be a conclusion. After that, recommendations can be given. You can explain recommendations in the order of priority. Then appendices. This includes all the supporting information that you have used. And the last part is references, bibliography, and glossary of technical terms that you have used in the report. Reports can be of different types. Generally, it can be categorized as formal and informal reports. Formal reports follow a prescribed form and a specific procedure. Informal reports are persons to person reports and have less formalities. Depending upon the purpose, reports can be labeled as follows: recommendation reports, evaluation reports, feasibility reports, and progress report. We can say that progress report is an informal report while the others are formal most often. What is a recommendation report? A recommendation report proposes a solution to a problem. It evaluates the possible solution and compares the solutions that makes a recommendation about which one is the best option. In some cases, it can be comparison of two or more products and recommendation of the best. And it contains an overview of the recommended options, and it suggests on how this option answers the need cited at the beginning of your report. It also explains how the idea could be implemented. Now you can see a sample report given in the textbook. Next is evaluation report. An evaluation is an assessment of certain topics or subjects, typically conducted for a specific purpose. An evaluation report in the simplest sense is a document which reports results, findings, interpretations, conclusions, and recommendations derived through an evaluation. The evaluation report is aimed at evaluating a product, process, or service. It compares individual products, plans, programs, properties, organizations, etc., in order to find out whether it met its expectations or whether it is good or useful. Next is feasibility report. As the name implies, a feasibility report is used to determine whether an idea or a project is feasible, technically as well as economically. It makes a judgment whether the idea or the plan is practically possible. Project managers use feasibility reports to recognize the pros and cons of undertaking a project before they invest a lot of time and money into it. Next one is a progress report. A progress report is an assessment to explain any or all of the following aspects of a project or service. How much of the work is complete? What part of the work is currently in progress? What work remains to be done? What problems or unexpected things, if any, have arisen? How the project is going in general. A progress report reassures the readers that the firm or company is making a progress, that the project is going smoothly, and it will be complete by the expected date. It also helps to establish a work schedule to complete the project in time. It reflects a sense of professionalism maintained by the organization or company. You can see the model progress report given in your textbook. Page number may differ. Okay, thank you. We will come up with another video next time.